Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS Small Business. Welcome to this overview of the upcoming webinar we're presenting on Wednesday, the 17th of June, as part of our ongoing theme of presenting commentary relative to businesses surviving COVID-19. We've called this week's event Improving Operations Management and letting you know about the value that you could obtain from your accountant. Some update on news that's occurred this week. The Federal Treasurer has released the fourth COVID stimulus package, which provided a grant of $25,000 for people who meet the eligibility test based on their income for the construction of a new property. Again, there are limits as to the value of that property, or renovations to a house, and there are limits and minimum amounts relative to that. The program is open. It opened on the 4th of June and goes through to the 31st of December 2020. I'm sure it's going to be welcomed by businesses involved in the building and construction industry and the tradies involved in bathroom and kitchen renovations. So good luck with that. But the Treasurer also announced that the government was going to curtail the JobKeeper program for the childcare industry. He did indicate that there is a replacement, not quite as good as JobKeeper, but it's been replaced. And the Treasurer and the Prime Minister have made it fairly clear that other than for some specific industries, which is probably going to be tourism in various parts of Australia, there will be no JobKeeper extension after the 30th of September, at least at this stage. What this highlights is the necessity for businesses to be closely looking at what you do to ascertain where you can improve on your operations. Because the world that we knew in January and beginning of February 2020, I think is going to be completely different for business operations from now on. And now is the time for you to be gearing up for that. Our presentation in our webinar on the 17th of June is built around this theme. We have Kevin Thiel, who is a operations management consultant. Kevin's had experience as a chief financial officer, a cost accountant, and he has worked in manufacturing businesses. And he's going to give an overview from the top to the nuts and bolts of a review in businesses, because that is what an operations management review is about. Priscilla B. Smith will talk to you about how an accountant performing duties beyond taxation can offer more value to a business by helping you by literally performing a chief financial officer service. So why don't you join us for this free webinar on Wednesday, the 17th of June at 12 noon AEST by going to our website, www.esssmallbusiness.com.au/webinars to register, or you could click on in the email notice that you probably received telling you about this upcoming webinar. Stay safe, look after yourselves, and I look forward to talking to you on Wednesday, the 17th of June. Have a great day. Goodbye.